one-of-a-kind respiratory remedy. Discover the incredible blend of bugambilia, great for respiratory infections, eucalyptus, a decongestant perfect for sinusitis, gordelobo flaw, also known as mullein, ideal for asthma and bronchitis, and many more carefully selected potent herbs. This magical tea blend soothes inflammation, relieves congestion, clears up phlegm, and fights bacteria. It also supports immune function, overall respiratory health, and alleviates the effects of years of smoking and vaping. Respiratory illnesses can be linked to unexpressed grief and sorrow. Our bodies store unresolved emotions in the lungs, contributing to conditions like chronic bronchitis and asthma. Within 24 hours of drinking, expect relief from coughing, congestion, and discomfort. Visit www.healingorenergy.com.